Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's another unboxing video. So I'm going to be unboxing this iPad stand, and then we're going to see how it will fit on the iPad. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get straight into this video. This is the first item. This might be what clamps onto the iPad. And then we have the stand that comes in this well packaged bag. Do we have anything else? No, I think that's it. So I'm just going to open this and see how the stand looks like. So it's just a normal stand. You can adjust it, you can make it longer. So it's just a normal stand, nothing too over the top. So this is the stand. And now, looks like we have something else in the bag. Oh. So this also is like this connects to the stand if you want the stand to be much longer. So this is the last part of the stand, and this goes directly at the back of this clamp. So you just unscrew that, and then that goes right here. And then you're just going to push that. So let me show you. So what you're going to do is push that, and it clamps right in. So you will need this to kind of secure after it pops into a circle, so that it does not move. So there we go. I'm gonna make it a little tighter so it does not move a lot. And then the other part is this back part. So this kind of controls how much the clamp opens, and when you close it, it is secured. So depending on how big your iPad is or how small your iPad is, we're going to try this one. I'm probably going to put it sideways. So what I'm going to do is, you guys can see there's some space there, so I'm going to release that, and that's going to clamp. It's going to come down to the size of the iPad, and then I'm going to clip it back, and that way the iPad is secured. It's not going to fall or anything like that. So I'm going to put everything together so you guys can see exactly what it looks like with everything put together. One thing I love is the rubber parts that are here. So this will not damage your iPad because of the rubbers that are fixed right in the four corners of this iPad clamp. So I'm just gonna put everything together, and I'm gonna show you guys how the whole entire stand looks like with the iPad on. So I think with the cover, it was kind of sliding. I probably have to work around this to see how I can still have the cover on. It was sliding out, so once I took the cover out, like, it's not sliding or anything, it's not coming out. So I think this iPad stand has passed its test, so I kind of like it, and I can't wait to kind of try it and see how it's going to work. I'm going to take a picture to show you guys how the stand looks like with the iPad on. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I did not want this video to be too long. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the love to all my old and new subscribers. Thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed yet, do not forget to push that red button, and of course ring the bell right next to it. I think it's either here or here, either of the two. Just ring the notification bell so that you're first to be notified each time I upload new content. For me, it's goodbye, and see you in my next video.